Assalamu alaikum students. Today's our topic is integration by parts. In this we have two functions. In the integral sign, integral u multiply v dx. Then we take first function as it is, taking integration of second sign, minus integration bracket, taking derivative of first function and integration of second function, and both products value integral, taking integration of both functions product. Integral u du equals to uv minus integral v du. Taking integration of this function, it becomes uv minus taking derivative of this function, it becomes du. Then taking integration of this d, it becomes v. So then take integration. This formula and this formula are same, but display is changed, but formula is same. Integration by parts. First of all, you have to know if you have log function, inverse function, algebraic function, trigonometric function, exponential function, it becomes your u part. You can take v another part because you have to choose functions, which function is u or which function is v. So this is the rule that you are taking log function, inverse function, algebraic function, trigonometric function, exponential function as u function as first function. Like integral u dv equals to uv minus integral v du. U equals to x, dv equals to sine 2x dx equals to x. V integration, v sine integration is minus cos 2x over 2 minus integration of v part dv, which is equals to minus 2x over 2, taking derivative of x, which is equals to dx. Then multiply of this, minus and minus become positive, 1 by 2 cos 2x integral, taking integration of cos 2x equals to sine 2x over 2 plus k. K is any constant, so we put in k. You have another example, integral u dv equals to uv minus integral v du. X equals to u, radical x plus 1 is dv. X as it is, taking integration of this part, which is become 2 over 3 x plus 1 power 3 by 2 minus integration of du, so it becomes 2 over 3 x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2, and taking derivative of this, which is equals to dx. So put taking derivative of this, it is become dx. So taking then integration of this, it become 2 over 5 x plus 1 whole power is 5 over 2 plus c. So our answer is this. Next example, integral x cos x dx, taking x equals to u, x equals to v and u equals to cos x, which is also called du over dx. So dv equals 1 with respect to x, it become taking, this is taking different variables with not similar variables, it become, for v is the first part, this is the second part. So first as it is, second ki integration, cos integration is sine, and minus integral first ka derivative, which is equals to 1, and second ki integration, which is equals to sine x. Then multiply both functions, sin x dot 1 each is equals to sine, then taking integration, which is equals to cos x plus c. You can easily understand first function as it is, second की integration minus second की first का derivative, second की integration, both multiply, then integration of the function. Here you can see another example. First u equals to x, dv equals to sine 3x minus 2. You can see this function, this formula is simply first as it is, second की integration, sine integration is minus cos, which become minus cos 3x minus 2 over 3. Then du equals to dx. This is same, x multiply with this, first as it is, second की integration minus first का derivative which is equals to 1, second की integration, and product of both is this, then take integration of this, then our answer is this, minus x over 3 cos 3x minus 2 plus 1 over 9 sin 3x minus 2. So this is the answer. You have another example. You have integral ln x. When you have ln x, then we suppose you have 1 with this function. So first as it is, second की integration, which is equals to x minus first की derivative, ln x derivative is 1 over x, integration of second part is x dx, product of this, it will be cancel out. Our answer of this function is x. So our answer, last answer is x ln x minus x plus c. You have another example. This is your first function, this is your second function. Taking first function as it is, integration of this, which is equals to sine 2x over 2 minus first derivative, which is equals to 1, second का integration, which is equals to 1 over 2 sine 2x dx. Then multiply 1 with both values, means 1 multiply with integration of v dx, so it become 1 over integral 1 over 2 sine 2x dx. Then integrate of this function is minus 1 over 2 cos 2x. So our last answer is x over 2 sine 2x plus 1 over 4 cos 2x plus c. Here is some references for this, and thank you for watching this video.